Shallower on that side. Yeah, it was better on this side.
Oh, I hit it too.
Like 16 feet away or a little less.
That totally looks like foot fell asleep.
That looks like a racing tire.
I know. It's a
Yeah, that's a racing tire.
And I think that's the same kind of tire that we saw in the water back there.
Yeah, but the place that, yeah.
Okay.
Dada!
Woo! Woo!
We're surrounded in mountains.
Ma!
Wait, can I do something?
Yeah.
It's like Wee! I am a monkey! I'm Pete, the monkey, a little pirate monkey. I'm on. I was like, it's like on. Like Papa, what if we held the GoPro underwater and when we saw something, we could point it at the thing so we could see what it was.
I can do that. No, I can do it. You just, if you see something you want me to point it at, I will.
Okay, I'll tell you which side it's on.
Okay.
Left or right.
Oh. Screen turned off. There we go. Should probably just keep paddling, I suppose. Should I just show everybody what the bottom looks like here?
Yeah.
Just sand.
Whoa. Hi, I'm gonna be.
Okay, where should I put it? I
Here.
can't really open my dry
I'll
bag.
just put it on the floor.
Kind of.
Not so cold.
It's
It's
so
very fun. If you move around.
Yeah, just don't look at the bottom.
I'm gonna
It's
put the
weird.
camera in the water and get video of your legs swimming around.
Wait, where are we going? Where are we going? I'll pop quick. Paddle to an island. I'm getting super cold.
Okay, hang on.
I'll go after Shirley.
To an island. Oh, I can touch.
Me too.
Hi, I can touch, guys.
I know I can.
Okay.
Okay, Sterling's in.
We're floating sideways and we're about
It's okay, we're fine. There's no rapids or anything, so it doesn't matter.
I'm gonna walk for a while. Okay, so now I'm getting in.
I'm
Okay,
gonna
wait.
actually walk. Legs open. Because I can touch.
I'm gonna walk.
Okay, well, I want to turn the boat around.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're floating. I'm just walking with you.
and Papa?
Papa's the front right now.
I really need to get in.
Okay, get in.
Okay, so lean out. Actually, I'm getting out. Whoa.
Whoa, it's so sandy. I'm like sinking. It's quicksand.
Oh, no. Sorry, Anna. Echo decided to get out of the boat and got swallowed by the quicksand.
Whoa, it is kind of.
I know. I can pretty
easily turn this boat.
Yeah, can you guys point me down the river a little bit more? Yeah.
It is quicksand.
Jinx, Sylvan.
Ouch, it is quicksand. It is actually. It is really quicksand, Papa.
That looks like a fish right there. That's a thing.
Uh-oh. Guys, it could be a...
Piranha.
Yeah, it could be a piranha or an alligator.
Like a butterfly. that?
I don't know. It's staying in one place and it's sticking out of the water.
No,
I don't think that's a butterfly.
I'm pretty sure.
I think it's probably a piranha.
No, I don't think piranhas are even in here.
Could be a piranha gator.
They're only in like swamps. Yep, it's a butterfly. Let's help the butterfly. We should. Let's help the butterfly.
Okay, Operation Butterfly Rescue. Is it a butterfly or is it a piranha?
It's a butterfly.
Don't let it bite you.
Oh, I think it's a stick.
Yeah.
No way. Couldn't be. It's a piranha gator.
No, oh my god, it's a stick. Oh, you gotta see this. It looks like a spear almost.
Okay, you gotta take me over to where the camera can see it.
It's turning too much.
No, don't turn me backwards.
No. Look, see? It's wobbling from the current.
Okay, just point me down again. Oh yeah, okay, I see. It is a piranha gator. I was right. Totally.
A stick is a piranha gator?
Uh-huh.
Keep going. We're gonna have to turn around. Turn around.
Whee! I don't even have to paddle.
Okay, stop.
See, except this is quicksand. I'm sure of it. Just not very bad quicksand.
Okay, are you guys getting back in or you gonna tow me off the sandbar?
I'm gonna tow you.
Okay.
Is this a sandbar actually?
It is a sandbar and I think it drops off right there where the water gets dark.
Whoa, I've never seen a drop like that before.
I don't want to go there.
Wait, that's scary. Wait, I'm gonna go see. Whoa.
You guys can always jump right back in the boat.
That's quicksand right there. No, it is.
My leg got to here.
In the sand. No.
Oh, let's get in, guys, quick!
It's quicksand.
Papa!
No, seriously.
It's gonna swallow.
No, it got to here.
Okay, wait guys, don't get in the boat while we're on the sand like this. Get me off the sand first. Because otherwise we'll be stuck here with the river pushing against us.
I don't want to.
You have to.
Quicksand. It's quicksand.
It's not quicksand.
Yeah, it is.
That way, and it
Just get us a little deeper.
Wow, springless.
Quicksand. No, seriously. This is quicksand. Serious quicksand. No, my leg. No.
Yeah, but if you guys get in right here, see, we're already stuck.
Everyone's gonna be safe and okay, guys. Don't be so worried. We have life jackets.
I'm gonna do it.
We have life jackets even.
Yeah, but no.
Okay.
And it's a small drop.
Still stay here.
Okay, pull me off the sandbar.
Guys,
There we go. Now you can get in if you want, or you can swim along.
Stay out. Yeah. We didn't even touch them. Until we can't touch them.
I'm gonna get stuck. I got scared.
It sounded like this.
I thought that was a beaver farting.
I'm studying it so I don't have to. That was a huge sandbar. It turned out to have the other way down.
You almost got stuck in the quicksand though.
I know. It got it to like here on his leg. That was quicksand, Papa. Just not like the bad kind.
Yeah, not the deadly kind.
Yeah, like one time we did go in the deadly kind, except there was like a spread of big sand, so it wouldn't follow us on the very deadly kind.
I'm getting deeper.
Wait,
Echo!
what if you guys try floating on your backs?
Oh yeah. No! I was gonna stay near you. Wait, no, Sterling, watch. I'm gonna launch myself from back here. I'm doing it. Oh no! What the? I was like holding on to the back. Oh, whoa! Oh, it's not very deep. I think it's time to get. Oh no! I'm only getting back in when it gets for me to not touch.
Well, I think pretty soon I'm going to want you guys to get back in so we can paddle a little quicker, because at some point we got to get back for dinner.
Oh, you can paddle quicker. I'm just lazy. Actually, I'm getting back in.
Okay.
It just suddenly turned black.
That means it suddenly got deep.
Look at this big.
Uh-oh, whirlpool! Look out, Echo, whirlpool! Get in, quick! Whirlpool!
What is that?
It's a whirlpool. Seriously. It's a-
Very thin whirlpool.
It's not very deep. I mean, it's not very bad.
It just went away. Oh, look at that big one.
Uh-oh, guys. Are we headed for it?
No.
Are we doomed? Is this it? Is this the end?
No, but you're only saying that because you're taking a video.
Yeah, this is good. It's
Yep,
stuck in
this
the
is
sand.
good.
It's stuck in the sand.
Yeah. I know.
Splattered poo on the wall.
No, it's not it. Oh, so close.
Now this would.
all those pigeons.
I
know.
Now this would be like one of the best places for battling.
Yeah,
You could hide behind all those rocks, and bullets ricochet off rocks like that.
I mean, sometimes they stick into rock, but they can't go.
They can't go through rock and out the other side.
Last, it was like a very, very, very thin piece of rock.
Yeah.
A bullet probably wouldn't even go through that. It'd probably just.
A bullet would just chip some pieces off, and the bullet would fall to the ground.
Particles, and then
When they launch
they
it.
do. They slice it out and then.
Good times on the river.
No. That's what Grandpa said. I don't think they would actually slice it.